duck casserole, duck with cherries, duck with chestnuts, duck pancakes with plum sauce, duck pate. Ah, here we are, duck à l'orange.
Oh, what are we having?
I'm having you for lunch.
Yeah, I know you are, but what are we going to eat?
Oh, I'll whip up something. A surprise.
Oh, yeah, my mother. She told me to beware of the cat. She must have been thinking about somebody else.
Oh, bless her. Mothers are all the same. For some reason, I think it's part of their job description to take away all the fun, but not my mother. Oh no, she was different. Well, I know what she used to say to me. You can stretch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever shut indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can jimmy your jowl before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't eat it. So don't you let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your top before the rod. You can play with your food while I bite it. It's a crazy little game called lunch. Tell me, Dougie, what would you like to play? It can be anything you like. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I like to paddle in the puddle, dabble in the mud, take a single bath in the shallows. Then maybe it's time to slide in the signs in the marsh where you find marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragon, fly on water, cold and breeze. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
Oh, I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitty. You can play with your food before you nibble. You can jest with your joint before you slide. You can play with your food, but don't dribble. My mama gave the best advice. You can play with your food before you pulp it. You can mess with your meal before you lunch. You can play with your food, but don't pulp it. It's a crazy little game called lunch.
We could go rush to direction, then down the ditch, hiding on a wizard's body. Then make a little camp that's because dance for me and I made the money. And if the other ducklings want to come and join our names, they have to make a promise first to stop calling names.
Oh, I'll help you to forget the way they scolded. Just as soon as I have got my napkin folded. Oh, you want to play hide and seek, do you? Where are you? Am I getting warmer? You can't have your food before you eat it. You can jimmy your jowl before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't eat it. So ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can't have your food before you bite it. You can toy with your top before the rod. You can play with your food while you bite it. It's a crazy little game called. So tell me, Ducky, do you like to swim?
Yeah, I do.
Well, swim in here. It's a crazy little game called lunch.
another time. Goodbye. Was it right at the cow shed? Or left at the house?